And there are kids that have a mindset that they are, you know, ready to transition directly from high school into college. There are kids that have a mindset that they're like, I need to do something hands-on. And there are kids that are in the space where they're still up in the air.
I mean, a lot of students here, they don't know too much about the trades. Information is key right now, getting this message out that they can join a trade, get paid well, good paying job, benefits. Basically, these are good careers.
So far, we have learned about surveying, we've learned a little bit about civil engineering, we have learned about the drones that they use to inspect bridges and some of the technology that supports safety here on all the different projects that are happening. We've learned about labor unions and what goes into projects that are literally built from the ground up by hand. They're engaging with the content of what's brought here today in a different way than what I've seen them engage before. Especially having the opportunity to connect with like some of the companies here, the labor unions, having some insight on like, oh, this could be a viable next step, I think is going to be really powerful and meaningful for our students.
I'm still young, I'm still learning about what I want to become. I think it's a really good opportunity.
This has been an extremely valuable event to me personally. Before I came out here, I didn't really have a lot of direction, and now I actually really feel like I know where I want to go in my life.